Assalamualaikum semua and hi guys, welcome to my channel. So hari ni Qhouirun baru received a bunch of quotes from Bundesliga. So I wanted to share with you guys what's inside. So I decided to do a YouTube video with it, so I can share with you guys. I boleh share apa di dalam kotak ni dengan korang. Kalau korang nak tahu what's inside in this box, continue watching because I do really enjoy unboxing video. So mana tahu korang pun suka tengok unboxing video. Continue watching, okay? So enough talking, sebab kita nak tengok apa dalam kotak ni. Is it from the deep web? No, I dah bagi tahu dah tadi Bundesliga bagi. So, I akan buka this box. I akan tunjuk from the top view untuk korang. Okay? So, korang boleh tengok what's inside. Then, I akan tunjukkan from this view. So, here's Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I don't know what I got, but as you can see, can you see? Can you see? I don't know. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but mari kita teruskan, okay? So first thing first, I got this chin bag from them. Thank you, Bundesliga. It's really nice. It's all black. Sorry. And lagi satu kita dapat lagi satu bag. This one made in Germany. Well, wow, it's really pretty though. Lawa gila. It's really nice though. I really love it. Wow, mashallah. Thank you, Bundesliga. And the next thing is, ta-da! It's a scarf from them. Bayern. Now I can watch. Boleh tak pakai ni jadi turban? Can we do it? So hi guys, today I nak share dengan korang tutorial nak pakai tudung. I got this from Bundesliga. I'm sorry. Focus. Okay, so the next thing, I got this socks. It's Adidas socks. Alhamdulillah, I memang nak cari stocking lagi. But you came to my life. I'm glad. Tak tahu nak letak lagu apa. Thank you for the socks. I really need it. You got me. Thank you. So the next thing is a short that I can wear to sleep. No, it's a short football pants. Ada Bundesliga and Adidas. Wow, mashallah. This cost berapa tu? So the next thing I dapat notebooks for college for classes. class. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bundesliga. I really love it. It's so beautiful. All these gifts. It's really nice. It's so sweet of you. And ta-da! I got a jersey. Mashallah. It's a jersey. Ooh, cuba tengok ni. Finally, someone can pronounce and someone can enter my name correctly without any wrong. Thank you so much, Bundesliga. I tak tahu berapa banyak kali I nak cakap thank you, but it's really nice, it's really sweet of you for this gift. I really love it. Nak pakai tidur nanti. Kejap lagi kita tidur, kita pakai baju ni, okay? So, kita ada this one. I tak tahu apa benda ni panggil, tapi yang macam untuk letak card dan gantung card. Gantung hati. Tiba. I got two. And dia tulis Bundesliga here. And the last two. Give. I got two balls. Well, not exactly that balls. But this one, it's Bundesliga, Derby Star. I got the official one, official match ball. Thank you so much. I have a new training ball. It's really beautiful. I'm speechless. And another ball. It's a replica ball. Thank you, Bundesliga. I really love it. It's really nice. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys love it. You guys enjoy me doing this. So if korang nak lagi korang buat video macam ni, comment, okay? Maybe on Instagram or